And joining me now is Mr. Joe Grimes. He's the Chief Operating Officer of XSNX Incorporated, stock symbols XSNX. Joe, good to meet you.
Good morning. Thank you so much for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to talk to your viewers.
Well, you know, Joe, it's great because, we've been talking to Tom Djokovic for 3 or 4 years, and here in the last several months, he's been promising us Joe Grimes, and glad to have you here in San Francisco.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Our viewers have not met you yet, but they're probably familiar with the company. But tell us again what XSNX is all about.
XSNX is a solar energy company currently working on a business strategy to bring SIGs, solar panels, to the marketplace, to develop the technology to mass produce it, to increase the efficiencies, and to bring it to the marketplace.
And of course, we're talking about basically thin film technology, correct?
Correct.
Can you give us a layman's description of what that means?
Thin film technology is a deposition of metals on a thin stainless steel substrate that takes solar energy and converts it to electricity.
Okay. From
photons to electrons.
Okay. Now, in the period of time that we've been covering XSNX, we've seen the company emerge from a research and development company. They were primarily interested in licensing the technology. They moved into a manufacturing effort, and now you've basically come with a different direction where you've got as they call it, a hybrid manufacturing capability that you say is revolutionary. Tell us about that.
So we have an opportunity to leverage years of experience in the hard disk drive manufacturing world and mating it with thin film technology, in specific SIGs. And I think Robert talked about SIGs last time we were here. And by doing that, this allows us to optimize processes, allows us to increase the rate at which we can produce solar thin film wafers, and allows us to increase yields, and we hope to optimize that process.
Okay. Do you see yourself being more of a technology licensing company, or do you plan to maintain a manufacturing presence?
Well, we need to maintain a manufacturing presence to establish processes, to work on our long-term technology plans. But we're looking for joint ventures with other companies, especially in the semiconductor industry, excuse me, to try to take this and to explode it into the marketplace.
Well, Joe, we're doing 2 parts of our focus here on green tech at the Money Show. We're out of time in this one. I'd like you to join us on the next program with more detail.
Love to.
Again, Joe Grimes, XSNX, stock symbols XSNX. Joe, thanks for joining us.
Pleasure.
Well, we've been talking about your financial health all during this program, but I also do another program about your personal health called Health This Week. For a TV station near you, go to healththisweek.com. And the Money Wrap radio program this week, we're going to talk about how politics affects your money. Go to moneywrap.com for a radio station near you. Our Stocktail Hour, part of our Small Cap Expo, coming to New York City in February of 2010. If you'd like to know more about this, visit our website at smallcapexpo.com. Call us right now at 888-259-4449 for free information and mail about our featured guests, including Flame Seal Products and Itronics Incorporated. When you do call, be sure and ask to be added to the subscription list of our Money TV newsletter. Again, moneytv.net's our website. Our toll-free number is 888-259-4449. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. That's our program this week from the Money Show in San Francisco. I'm Donald Baillargeon. Thanks for joining us. See you next week.